Hey, it's Bill Bradley, registered dietitian here. Today I want to give you a formula for weight loss that helped me to lose 50 pounds and to keep it off for the last 12 years. Since that time, I have also helped 1,000 more people to lose weight using this formula in our Mediterranean diet weight loss program. First, I will give you the formula, and then I will give you the reasons why it works. The formula is actually pretty simple. First, you eat delicious Mediterranean food. Then you feel better, then you have more energy and are able to move more, and then you lose weight. When you eat the Mediterranean diet, your body begins to change almost instantly. Studies show that within days, your cognition improves, depression lessens, and you just start feeling better. What else happens when you start eating Mediterranean? Well, first off, your body starts getting the nutrients you need. Your gut microbiome begins to get repopulated with the healthy components it needs, which, by the way, helps you to lose weight. Inflammation begins to decrease, which, by the way, also helps you to lose weight. Within 2 weeks of eating Mediterranean, your digestive system may show measurable improvements as your gut microbiome adjusts to the high-fiber, nutrient-rich foods you're consuming. By 6 weeks, you could see significant changes in your gut health, such as better digestion, reduced bloating, along with noticeable weight loss and lower blood pressure. In 12 weeks, studies show a decrease in depressive symptoms, improved mental clarity, and better energy levels. Over the course of a year, you can experience lower cholesterol, improved cardiovascular health, and reduced inflammation markers, all while enjoying delicious food. And because you are eating delicious food, it is easy to stay on the Mediterranean eating plan forever. This is why the Mediterranean diet will help keep the weight off over the long term. If you want to find out what a year of eating Mediterranean will do for you, I'd recommend our Mediterranean Diet Portal. The Mediterranean Diet Portal is your personal guide to making the Mediterranean lifestyle work for you. It includes anytime access to all of our online programs, including our 10-week Mediterranean Diet Weight Loss Program and the 10-week Mediterranean Way Program. Plus, you will get weekly meal plans, an authentic Mediterranean recipe each week, community support, live cooking sessions, plus access to our growing video library, which includes 6-week webinars on the Mediterranean diet. To learn more about the Mediterranean Diet Portal, check out the link below. And as always, remember to live with purpose, love with abandon, and eat with passion. See you next time.